Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we have an interesting question here which says 10.5 divided by 5.5, or what we can call as a mixed number, 10 whole number 1/2 divided by 5 whole number 1/2. The first thing we can do here is convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. To do that, with this we take 10 times 2, so the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. So that gives us 20 plus 1. So finally we have 21 over this denominator 2. With this one, we are going to do the same. So we have 5 times 2. I put that in a bracket plus 1. So that also gives us 10 plus 1. And finally we have 11 on 2. So now our question now is 21 on 2 divided by 11 on 2. Since this is division, we just go straight ahead and we change the sign to multiplication and reciprocate the denominator and the numerator. These two can cancel out these two right away, and we are left with 21 on 11, which is also an improper fraction and can be changed to 1 whole number 10 over 11. You can check the video on how to convert from improper to mixed and mixed to improper, as I just did here and here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.